Hello, this is a quick video to show how to make a planet in Blender. This is default scene in Blender. I delete the default objects. To make a planet, we can add a sphere. Go to Add, Merge, and I will use UV Sphere. To make it look smooth, we can go to Object and Shade Smooth. Also, we can go to Modifier Properties and add a modifier. We can choose Subdivision Surface. I will increase the level viewport to 2. And then we can add the image texture into the sphere. I will use the image texture from solarsystemsgroup.com. I put the download link in this video description. We can find many texture of the planets. I will use the texture image for the Earth. I will use Earth Day Map, Earth Clouds, Earth Normal Map, and Earth Specular Map in this tutorial. For using this texture, we need to check the license. This license is under Attribution 4.0 International License, so we can check that if we using the texture. Now I'm going back to Blender. To add the image texture, we can switch to Material Preview first, and then we can split the viewport into 2. I will switch this viewport to Shader Editor. I hide this panel. We can add a new material here. I rename it to Earth. And then we can use shortcut Shift A to search image texture. Click it and open. To link the image, we can choose the map and open the image. And use color, collapse to base color. So we have the basic color of the Earth. And then we can add the specular. I copy and paste this image texture loop and we link to specular map and open the image. Color, collapse to specular. So we find the different shininess of the ocean and the land. And then we can add the normal map. I copy and paste this image texture and link to normal map and open the image. Make sure that the color space switch to no color, and then Shift A to add the normal map. And then we can use color, collapse to color, and normal, collapse to normal. So if we close up to see the texture, if we control the strength of the normal map, we can control the depth of the texture. I will use 5 in strength of normal map. And then we can add cloud image texture. We can copy and paste this image texture look and link to the cloud image. And Shift A to search mix color and put it here. Collect cloud image texture to B and switch to Add. If we want to control the positioning of the cloud image texture, we can add mapping and add texture coordinates. Use UV collapse to feather, collapse to feather, and then we can change the location X to change the cloud position. Undo it to go back to 0. And then we can make a quick render preview for the Earth. I will use cycles and switch to render preview here. We can adjust the row. I switch to row and change the background to darken color. And then go to 3D viewports. I add the light. I will choose sunlight. And then we can go to object data properties and increase the strength. I will use 5. And then we can adjust the angle of the sunlight. This is how we can make a planet in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Artist B. See you in the next video. Bye bye.